Good evening, Gihana. Gihana, good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening. Wait a minute. Just wait a 5 minutes. Others to join.
Okay, teacher.
Last class we studied until velocity, no? And Gihana.
Last class I didn't join, teacher.
Join. Why? We finished until velocity this. The unit start பண்ணக்குள்ளே வரலையா? You don't. Huh?
No, teacher. I didn't notice the time.
Okay. We finished until this. Today we have to do this one. Wait a minute. Not the joint all. I think link up just wait. What about your school? Are you studying this one or not? Gihana.
Yes, teacher. We started third lesson.
Started third lesson. Then you finish this one now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Can you answer this now? Then, you can answer this question. Huh? Can now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Answer it quickly. We'll see.
Teacher, motion means should we do the do displacement?
Yeah, that kind of motion. Yes. Then traveling. What is the method of traveling? That's the motion. If I have any doubt, ask me. Right?
Okay, teacher.
Have you finished? Gihana, have you finished? Gihana?
Teacher,
Have you finished?
last question, teacher.
Ah.
Finish, teacher.
Okay, shall we check the answers right here? See, what kind of motion has the child undergone during the first 4 seconds? Right, then first 4 seconds means until this, no? Right, so what happened to the motion?
It started moving
Start the moving.
forward.
Yeah, forward. Right. Okay, what is the rate of change displacement during the first 4 seconds? How to find that rate of change of displacement?
Displacement divided by time.
Right, displacement divided by time. Then tell me the answer. Then a method.
First equation, rate of change of displacement equals to
Mm.
displacement over time. So
Mm.
8 over 4, answer is 2 meter second minus 1.
8/4 only have to put like that. First 4 seconds means this is the initial displacement and this is the ending, no? So what to do? Have to minus the ending from the starting, no? So 8 minus 2 I have to put like this, no? 8 minus 2. But you see the velocity displacement over time, no? Right, இது வந்து this is not a uniform displacement. But here is the uniform, you see? Right, okay, 8/4 can put, right, okay. Right, 8 by 4. Then answer will come 2, no? 2 meter second minus 1. Give one word to describe the rate of change of the displacement. What is the word?
Velocity.
What can you say about the motion during the time period from 4 to 6? Then 4 to 6. What happened? All are 8. The displacement is 8. So whatever
Uh,
the motion.
it didn't move, it started going in the same Same level of speed.
Same level of speed. No. The child do not move. Or the child take rest. There is no any movement. Right? Movement in the velocity. No? So we can't tell the same velocity. Right? Charvashni, are you joined now, Charvashni? She went again, right? So, the displacement is same number. So, this moving nadakala. So, child getting rest. Right? Rihanna? Describe the
Teacher.
motion during the time travel from 8 seconds to 10. Then they asking here. 8 seconds to 10 seconds. So last 2 seconds. What is the during the motion during the time interval? Describe the motion. What about the motion? How to describe this?
The speed decreased in the time duration from 8 to 10 seconds.
Yeah, we can't see
So
we can't say
deceleration.
speed. We can't tell the word speed here. Not speed, no. Here we are studying velocity. Velocity also we can't tell. What is the starting displacement is 0, no? So ending displacement also 0. Right? So what happened to the moving?
It stopped.
Stopped? No. Stopped moving, okay. How she stopped? What is the method?
Deceleration.
Deceleration, we can't tell that. Nitha, we are going to study deceleration. No? So, if we study velocity, we have to tell the method of motion. Starting displacement also 0, ending displacement also 0. So what happened here? Yeah, displacement increase decrease. So what to do? How to tell that? Easy one word. What is that?
Decreased.
Decreased, okay. How to decrease? Eppadi decrease ஆகுது? That's why I am asking. You see, the displacement is going to decrease, no? So a child backward to the starting point. Am I correct? Forward backward again the starting point. A child came. Last 2 seconds. Rihanna, can you understand?
Yes, teacher.
இதுக்கு ஒரு சிம்பிள் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நான் சொல்றேன். ரைட், நீங்க இப்ப வீட்ல இருந்து மார்னிங் ஸ்கூல் போவீங்க தானே? ரைட்?
ஆமா டீச்சர்.
You see, இப்ப இதுதான் உங்களோட ஹோம். ரைட்? ஹோம்ல இருந்து நீங்க ஸ்கூல் போயிட்டீங்க. இன்னைக்கு தான் ஸ்கூல் போயிட்டீங்க. So this is your school. Right? அப்ப இவ்வளவு நேரம் you are staying at school from 4 seconds to 8 seconds. After what you can do? After you again coming to home, no? Gihana?
Yes,
Right. அப்ப last 2 secondsல நீங்க திருப்பி எங்க வந்துட்டீங்க? ஹோமுக்கு வந்துட்டீங்க. இப்ப starting point also home, ending point also home. Right? This is the simple
okay,
one.
teacher.
நீங்க வீட்ல இருந்து ஸ்கூல் போறீங்க, ஸ்கூல்ல ஸ்டடி பண்றீங்க, again நீங்க வீட்டுக்கு வந்துட்டீங்க. இப்ப வீட்ல இருந்து ஸ்கூல் போறீங்க, ஃபார்வர்ட் ஆகுறீங்க, again நீங்க ரிட்டர்ன் ஆகுறீங்க வீட்டுக்கு. அந்த மோஷன் தான் இப்ப இங்க நடந்திருக்கு. Right? Now clear this one. Can you understand? ப்ராக்டிக்கல் லைஃப்ல நாங்க நடக்கிற எந்த ஒவ்வொரு இன்சிடென்ட்ஸையும் நாங்க இதுல ஒவ்வொரு இன்சிடென்ட்ஸையும் நாங்க இதுல கனெக்ட் பண்ணோம்னா நாங்க ஈஸியா செஞ்சிடலாம் அந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸ். ரைட்? இதுல எதுவும் டவுட் இருக்கா? ஹேவ் எனி டவுட்? Ihana, have any doubt or not? Answer me, Gihana.
No, teacher.
Right. Last one. Find the velocity of the during last 2 seconds. How to find that? What is the answer, Gihana, for the last one? Shargashni, what happening to you? Is there coverage problem? Shargashni? Joint eye cut ஆகுது. Shargashni? Can you hear me, Shargashni? Yes, okay. Gihana, tell me, what is the answer for last one?
Teacher, I didn't understand that one, teacher.
Which one? Which one?
I don't know how to do that, teacher.
Last one.
Yes, teacher.
Last one. No, right. Last one, last 2 seconds. Nah, right. The ending is 0. Right? And starting point வந்து நாங்க minus பண்ணி தான் எடுக்கணும். What is the displacement then? 8 over 2 seconds. So minus 8 over 2. So answer will come minus 4. Wait a minute. Right. Gihan also went. Now Sharugashini is there. Sharvashini, can you understand these questions? Or you want to do this? Sorry, wait a minute. Gihana, here we have to find the mean velocity தான் நாங்க இங்க கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Right? Right? Yes, so the last one, the last last displacement by minus starting displacement, right? In the 2 seconds, so we have to take only these two. So 0 minus 8 over 2 seconds. Right, so here will come minus 4 over 2. So answer will come minus 2, sorry, 8 no here. So answer will come minus 4 meter second minus 1. Right? Diana?
Teacher.
Now clear this one. I done here.
Yes, teacher, clear.
Right. What about Sharugashini? Can you understand this? Right. Okay, dear. Right. Okay, now let's go to the next one, right? Next slide. Right, now we are going to study acceleration. Right? You see, in human, right? Acceleration. Same here, see, I have one chart, right? According to the above data, the velocity of the body has changed from 0 meter second minus 1 to 12 meter second minus 1 during 6 seconds period. This is the chart. Right? Velocity starting from 0 to 12 and the time starting from 0 to 6 seconds. Right? Here we have to find change in the velocity during 6 seconds. Changing the paakkanum. That means difference from to velocity. Right? So velocity at the end of 6 seconds is 12. Right? So we can here write 12 minus initial velocity is 2. Right? Initial velocity, you see. So the initial velocity is 0. And then starting point. Initial velocity is 0. So what is the change in the velocity during 6 seconds? So velocity will come 12 meter second minus 1. In the change. We have to find here difference from ending velocity minus initial velocity. Sorry, not minus 2, meaning minus 2 no varum. Wait. Meter second minus 1. Right? We have to find this. Right, you see? When we divide the above velocity 12 meter second minus 1 by the time duration for these 6 seconds, we can get the rate of, you see? We can get the rate of change of the velocity. Rate of change of the velocity. This is called acceleration. The one word is acceleration. Rate of change of the velocity is equal to acceleration. How to find that? Ending velocity minus initial velocity over time taken. So here we have to write. You can change the velocity. So 12 minus 0 over total time is 6. The divide we can get the answer, the acceleration. 12 minus 0, 12. 12 and 6 divide it will come 2 meter second minus 2. Minus 2, that is the unit for acceleration. Minus 1, that is velocity. Meter second minus 2, that is acceleration. So the rate of change of the velocity is known as the acceleration. That is the change in the velocity per unit time. is the acceleration. Understood? Vihana, can you understood this acceleration? What is known as acceleration? First, we have to find the change of the velocity. அதை நாங்கள் divide பண்ணணும் எதால time takeனால we have to divide. Then we can get the acceleration. Vihana, can you understand? Sharugashni? Can you understand, Vihana?
Yes, teacher.
Sharugashni? Then you can write this. Quickly write.
Teacher, Sharu Hashini is my best friend only, teacher.
Your best friend.
Her network is not, yes, teacher, her network is not clear, teacher. She messaged me.
Right, okay. Okay. Right, okay. Write this quickly. Write it. Have you finished writing? Sharvashi? Complete பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? Dihana, have you finished, Dihana?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. What about you? உங்களுக்கு coverage problem?
இல்ல டீச்சர் வைஃபை கொஞ்சம் ப்ராப்ளம்னால கட்டாய் வருது டீச்சர்.
Okay. But yes, see, we already know the unit for velocity is meter second minus 1. Since the acceleration is the velocity change in a second, the acceleration as unit as meter second minus 2. So this is the unit for acceleration, meter second minus 2. Right? So this is the equation for the acceleration. Right? Acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity over time. Final velocity minus initial velocity over time. So this is, even I already said that 12 minus 0 over 6, the 2 meter second minus 2. Right? So the killer can equation, no? Right? Only write this equation. Only write this. Right? இதை மட்டும் note பண்ணுங்க. No need to write. Right? You know the unit for acceleration. So write this only. Write it quickly. Have you finished writing? Have you finished?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. We are going to see next one. Right? You can chart on, right? Time taken, time is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the velocity 12, 9, 6, 3, 0. What happened to the time? Sorry, velocity. It is decreasing. Time increase or increase, velocity going to decrease. Right? The velocity has decreased. The acceleration of the body can be calculated like this. Right? Acceleration is equal to change of velocity. Change means ending, no? Final velocity minus initial velocity. So your final velocity is 0 minus initial velocity. Right? Initial velocity is 12. So 0 minus 12 over 4 seconds. Total time taken is 4. So 0 minus 12 over 4. So answer will come 3 minus 3 meter second minus 2. Minus 3 meter second minus 2 is the answer. This is the acceleration. So acceleration coming with minus. Acceleration minus la vanda, that is we call deceleration. Acceleration minus la irundha and answer naanga solluvom deceleration. So the deceleration answer is 3 meter second minus 2. இது வந்து acceleration. The minus illama எழுதுனோம்னா that is deceleration. Because we have obtained the negative value for the acceleration. It means that the velocity is decreased by 3 meter second minus 1. Velocity வந்து 3 decrease ஆகிட்டு போகுது. அதனால தான் நமக்கு நெகட்டிவ்ல வருது acceleration. நெகட்டிவ்ல acceleration வந்தா அதை we call deceleration, right? The velocity is decreasing. If the velocity is decreasing, the acceleration takes a negative value, right? As velocity வந்து decrease ஆனா the acceleration வந்து negative valueல வரும். A negative acceleration is known as deceleration, right? So this is acceleration. It is coming with minus, negative. But deceleration நாங்க எழுதும்போது we do not put minus here. Just we have to write 3 meter second minus 2. The minus போட்டோம்னா அது acceleration. Minus போடலாட்டி தான் deceleration. அதை மாத்திக்க கூடாது. In a question further, we'll see how to write that. Okay? Can you understand? Acceleration normally கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். Acceleration எப்ப minus வருதோ அதை நாங்க deceleration நாங்க answer கொடுத்துக்கலாம்.
Yes, teacher.
Right? Okay. Put this chart and write this. இந்த பாயிண்ட போட்டுட்டு இந்த பாயிண்ட் இந்த டேபிள போட்டு acceleration இந்த நோட்டை போடுங்க. After write these 2 points quickly. Aida, I join now, Aida. The class is going to finish now. Aida? Huh?
Now only join, teacher.
Now only join. Now the 10 minutes, no? Have to finish the class. 6 o'clock தானே லிங்க் வந்தது.
ஓ டீச்சர் நான் இப்பதான் போனை பார்த்தேன் 7 மணிக்கு நினைச்சேன்.
Right. Okay. Have you finished? Vihana?
Yes, teacher.
Right. Let you see the next one. நம்ம displacement கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா, right? Easy. Velocity the equation. What is the velocity equation? Velocity is equal to displacement over time. So நாங்க displacement ஒரு questionல நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க வந்தா, we have to multiply the velocity with time. Right? The velocity ஓட நாங்க time multiply பண்ணோம்னா we can get the displacement. Right? So this is a last equation. இது நாங்க already நம்ம இதுல இருந்து we can get this. You have one question. Right? 3 questions are there. Right? Any question இருக்குது. Right? Quickly do this question. How the time is going to finish. Quickly do it. We'll discuss this. Can you do this question, Gihana? Gihana? Can you do this? Sharvashni, Gihana, what about you? Are you doing or not?
Doing, teacher.
Time is going, quickly finish it. Right? Have we finished, Gihana? Gihana? Have we finished or not?
Yes, teacher, finished, but
Answer
I
is
don't know
no.
whether the answer is correct.
Okay. Right, tell me the answer for first one. How to calculate the acceleration during the first 4 seconds? Gihana? Gihana?
Teacher,
Answer me, how to do the first one, tell me.
acceleration equals to
Equals to?
I wrote something and kept teacher.
Change of the velocity over time. Right? Then final velocity minus initial velocity over time. That is now want to come? Gihana, yes, see, இப்படி ஒரு question வந்தா you have to put a small picture for this motion. Right? ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு picture ஒன்னு போட்டீங்கன்னா you can do easily this question. Right? Yes, see, a body starting from rest. அப்ப restல start பண்ணிச்சுன்னா what is the initial velocity? A body is there here. It is starting from rest. Restன்னு சொன்ன velocity என்னதுல வரும்? எப்படி இருக்கும்? எவ்வளவா இருக்கும் velocity? இதுல தான் நீங்க clear இருக்கணும். Gihana?
Teacher,
What is the initial velocity then? Restல start பண்ணா what is the starting velocity? Tell me quickly. Mic on பண்ணுங்க. Off
zero,
பண்ணாம.
teacher.
0. So initial velocity is 0. இப்படி ஒரு picture போடுங்க. Right? This is the starting point of the object. And acceleration for 4 seconds. அப்ப it is moving. Right? இங்க நீங்க போகேக்க it is coming 4 seconds. Right? So இந்த இடத்துல 4 seconds ஆகுது போறதுக்கு. And what is the velocity? 12 meter second minus 1. இல்ல போகுது. Again, thereafter, it moves at constant velocity. அதே velocity it is moving. Constant velocity of 12 meter second minus 1 for 4 seconds. Again, it is moving 4 seconds. Right? Here also coming 4 seconds. Here also the velocity is 12. And ultimately comes to rest after the decelerating for 2 seconds. அப்ப again இது வந்து எங்க வருது? ரெஸ்ட்க்கு வருது. So இங்க ending velocity also 0. So here coming the 2 seconds. This is the picture of this question. இந்த picture அந்த questionக்கான ஒரு picture, simple picture நாங்க போட்டாச்சு. இப்ப நாங்க ஒவ்வொரு பார்ட்டா we are going to find that. அது easy method. Now calculate the acceleration during the first 4 seconds. அப்ப first 4 seconds in the area. Right? This part only we are going to see now. Now tell me the acceleration. What is the ending velocity? Final velocity in the area. Final velocity எவ்வளோ? Dihana or Sharugashini, answer me quickly. In the area, final velocity enna? It is starting, it is ending. So what is the final velocity, Gihana?
4.
4 is second. No, I'm asking the velocity, final velocity.
12 meter second minus 1.
12 meter second. 12. Right? And what is the initial velocity? What is the initial velocity?
12 meter second minus 1.
12 is the final velocity. Hana, you see. In the area mattum first 4 secondல தானே கேக்குறேன். அதுல final velocity வந்து 12 ல போயிட்டு இருக்கு. So what is the initial velocity? நீ சொன்னா தான் நாங்க போடலாம்.
0.
0. So you will come 0. Right? So what is the time taken? 4.
3 seconds.
So 12 over 4 is equal to 3. So 3 meter second minus 2 is the answer for first one. Understood? Diana?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. What about your next class? In the time உங்களுக்கு அடுத்த class இருக்குது இப்ப 7:30 or 8?
அடுத்த class இல்ல teacher.
இல்ல, right. Okay, no problem then. Right? Okay. Now this one clear. First question is clear. Right? Second one, find the deceleration during the last 2 seconds. So now they are asking this part. They are asking this part. Right? If ingi adhe mari naanga final velocity and initial velocity we have to put. Here what is the final velocity? What will become the initial velocity? And final velocity?
12.
12 is initial velocity. Final velocity is 0, no? Right?
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
Right? So final velocity is 0. Initial velocity is 12. So what is the time taken? What is the time?
2 seconds.
2 seconds. So minus 12 over 2 will come minus 6 meter second minus 1. Minus 2. Okay? Minus 6 meter second minus 2. No? Is this correct? Diana? Sharugashini, is this clear? Answer me, then only I know. I can't. No.
Yes, teacher, clear.
Okay. What is the displacement of the during the 10 seconds? But total 10 seconds, 4 seconds, 4 seconds, and the 2 seconds. They are asking the displacement. Gihana, what is the answer you got for the last one?
Teacher, 10 seconds was not there, so that I don't know how to do that one.
Right, okay. Here, நாங்க இப்ப 3 part தானே நடக்குது, 3 motions தானே நடக்குது, no? So we have to find the 3 displacement. After we have to add all. First in the 4 seconds we have to find. After this 4 seconds and last 2 seconds we have to find last. After we have to add all the displacement during this motion. Right? Okay, wait, we'll see how to do that, right? Okay, in the question, shall I explain in the next class because the whiteboard collected. That's why the problem. Shall I explain in the whiteboard for the next class, right? Gihana? Because let's explain
Teacher.
whiteboard. Right, we'll discuss the last one in the next class. Right,
Okay,
whiteboard
teacher.
explain that is easy. Whiteboard collect right, next class na explain question. We have to find that. And graph so have to whiteboard. Right now, fix again I will explain the next class. Okay. Now we'll finish the class now, right? In the second question or third question, I will explain this class, right? Amina, are you joined now, Amina? Why got late?